Today's the day we finally get to use. Yeah. You're in the shot. Can't scoot over. I know you're really cute, but watch out. Alright, today's the day we finally get to use our bucket forks. As you can tell from the package, I ordered them and they sat there for a long time. I haven't had a chance to use them or had something that they'd be really useful for. But today I got a pallet that I actually unload. So we're going to clamp these on and see how that goes. Alright, here's the tractor they're going to go on. It's a Massey Ferguson 265 with the front end loader. So we're going to cut this open, raise them up, and hopefully it's nice and easy straight out of the box. There we go, I just cut the box open. Sorry, it's kind of hard to hear me over the tractor. These have been sitting out here on the porch for a long time. Maybe I'll do a voiceover. But looks pretty simple and self-explanatory. Definitely heavy duty, as in heavy. Well, aren't the cleanest, but hey. I'll go there and get the job done. Alright, we'll get them on. Oh, there they are. Let's see if my skills as a forklift driver help me on this. See what happens. Got the pallet moved, and all in all, didn't do too bad. Like I said, the pallet was only around 200 pounds. I think I said that, I'm not sure. Super easy. Everything was set up. There is a stabilizer bar a lot of these have that link between the two. So if you hit something and push it, I mean, there we go. Got a little slide in it now. But I mean, it takes a lot. And as long as you're careful, the biggest problem I had with these was seeing the forks, of course, from the cab. You got all this in the way, and then of course you got the bucket in the way. They do make some longer ones, so that's going to help a little bit when you got them tilted up. But once you tilt them down, you're still not going to see it. So highly suggest having a spotter. I got lucky I didn't fork my truck over. Get it? Yeah. Also, I believe these spots here are so you can actually run a chain down here, hook your chain on, and that way just make sure these don't pop off somehow. Like I said, they're on there really tight, so I like them. And then you can also, the stabilizer bar, you're getting keep your distance of set your distance of how much you need. So all right, that's it. Overall, really awesome. There'll be a link below to Amazon so you can check them out.